squirrels and pigeons. Another squirrel on my windowsill. Pigeons are gone. Squirrel looking at my camera. That's a squirrel in early morning with a good sunrise. Same squirrel, same morning. Squirrel getting some more black oil sunflower seeds. That's a purple finch. And it's the same house finches. There's an evening grosbeak and a bunch on the other feeder. Same grosbeaks. There's a grosbeak on that hopper feeder. And a house finch over on the window bird feeder. There's some more grosbeaks. There's a tufted titmouse. The same tufted titmouse. There's a squirrel. Same squirrel. A squirrel getting some more seeds. American golden finch and a sparrow. Another sparrow. There's a black-capped chickadee. Same black-capped chickadee, just on a different feeder. There's a bunch of grosbeaks. There were some more. The bright grosbeaks are males and the duller ones are females. It's a whole flock. There's nothing there. The feeder must have moved. Oh, there's a grackle on the top bird feeder. There's a house finch and a female on the other one and a grosbeak. Just some more grosbeaks. There's a house finch and some more on the other feeders. There's a purple finch up on the top feeder. There's a female house sparrow, a house finch, and a grackle flying off the other feeder. There's a brown-headed cowbird and some grackles on the ground. There's an arrow pointing towards it. There's nothing in that picture. There's a blue jay getting a peanut. There's a crow cawing in the background. There's an up-close photo. And there's a cute squirrel in early morning holding a seed. Bye, guys. Like and subscribe, put on notifications.